Today, I'm here to give you an overview over the BOCW scheme. To begin, firstly we need to understand what is the BOCW scheme and what is the importance of the BOCW scheme in India. The Building and Other Construction Workers Scheme, also known as the BOCW scheme, is a scheme introduced that assists unskilled labourers by helping them solve issues related to their intensive work and unfavourable conditions. This scheme is for citizens employed in construction labour work categorized under unorganized labourers who are accustomed to working in accident-prone work environments and with a higher risk of irregular working hours, insecure payment, with insufficient availability to define welfare facilities that disconsolate their daily survival. The BOCW scheme is also a social welfare scheme introduced to provide financial help and health benefits to workers employed for infrastructure construction work. Now, the question arises, why there was a necessity to introduce the BOCW scheme? The answer is quite simple. As there was no proper definitive legal provisions, it was quite a hassle to obtain legal help related to accidents and the employer providing work responsibilities to their workers. There was also an unavailability of an instrumental method to disseminate work properly. It was necessary to establish laws dedicated to the safety of the labourers being employed and to establish definitive welfare facilities and required essential services properly. While introducing the scheme, the government's aim was to improve the conditions of the labourers by providing financial help under multiple schemes, for providing laws that protect their safety while working at a high-risk accident-prone construction sites, and by benefiting them by improving the quality of living standards or their daily survival. Now, let's talk about the BOCW Act 1996. The purpose of the Building and Other Construction Workers Act 1996 is to observe the work environment of the labourers employed in the infrastructure construction work. This act is beneficial for implementing laws against robust work durations and sturdy working conditions. This act helps regulate the employment and working conditions for labourers employed for infrastructure construction work, especially on workers' health, safety and welfare. One of the essential functions of the BOCW scheme and the Act is to provide the workers employed for infrastructure construction work with immediate assistance in case of any workplace accident, such as to help them regarding the issuance of loans for construction of their personal home, payment of insurance schemes, assisting financially for the children's expenses related to educational fees, assisting in medical bills for workers employed, and providing pensions for labourers employed for infrastructure construction work. We have an excellent team of experts who can assist you regarding various government registrations. You can also comment down below any of the queries that you may have. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.